Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Nobis 20-watt portable speaker. Ooh, this is the Bluetooth speaker with 20-watt dual dynamic audio. Immerse yourselves in a rich sound that can fill any space. IP68 waterproof, so you can go swimming with it, and up to 24 hours of playback time. TWS pairing, Bluetooth 6.0, EQ mode, hands-free with app control for outdoor use, travel and more. And of course for your home and kitchen or something else. Micro SD card compatible, aux compatible, Bluetooth compatible, 6.0 compatible, for 24 hours all day playback time. Perfect for long trips, hiking, camping or traveling, of course. And it's waterproof, so go swimming with it, go into the shower, no problem. And we can link two speakers to awake immersive stereo sound and feel every note surrounded us. That's possible with the black version or the white version on the market, or both of them are possible to pair each other together. Instant pairing with the Bluetooth 6.0 features the latest Bluetooth 6 for fast, stable pairing and a strong connection. We enjoy wide signal range and a clear audio whenever we are switching between devices indoor or on the go. And impressive, comprehensive sounds reproduction thanks to the expertly tuned acoustic and the 20-watt output power. This Bluetooth speaker delivers a rich bass and a clear hiss. Perfect for camping under the stars, bike tours or relaxing at home. And you can use it as a power bank too, so recharge anything you have with you on the trip. And if you like stereo sharing, that means TWS. We pair two Bluetooth speakers with a single TWS touch to create a powerful, room-filling stereo sound in a sound field. That's perfect for parties, camping or multi-room audio at home. With a Bluetooth 6.0 TF card input and aux input, we can have a playlist that will never end. And the IPX or the IP68 waterproof level and the Rawburst design with a good certification means the speakers boxes can be immersed in water up to 1.5 meter depth for up to 30 minutes. We take it to the beach, to the pool, to the camping, or even we can sing along in the shower. Rain or splashes are no problem for that device. And the big 24-hour standing playback, we enjoy a lot of continuous playback on a single charge. Perfect for long trips, for hikes or trips. The convenient Type-C connection ensures a quick and easy recharging with a power bank, with the AC adapter of your smartphone, with a computer or something else. And we have crystal clear hands-free calls, because these Bluetooth speakers features omnidirectional noise-canceling microphones that deliver the crystal clear calls in any environments. With a single touch of a button, we can call up Siri or a Google Assistant to perform hands-free tasks such as taking calls or changing, of course, the titles. Wow, that's cool. That's next generation party. That's next generation have party at yourself in the kitchen or shower. That's possible with that Nobis 20-watt portable speaker. It's possible to get it sound where you need it, where you like it. Already under the water, as you can see. Let's try it here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel.